Hello everyone, we are going to show our project. Our project name is Computer Numerical Control Drawing and Writing Machine. Now we are going to show how to draw a fish by Computer Numerical Control Drawing and Writing Machine. So let's see how we do it. Now we are working with Aspire 9.010 software, and we also use universal G code sender. By this we can transfer code to the machine. Look to the computer very carefully and also see our CNC machine, how it works, how it is working. Now we are going to show how to draw a fish by CNC machine. Let's see how to do this. Wow, it is very nice. It's just drawing. How nicely it is working. Please look into this. It is working so smoothly, one by one. Behind the scene, who working most in this project, MD Shamim Hossain, is continuing his study Dhaka International University evening E39 base. Not only he, other members' name is Kamal, Uddin, Mahedi Hasan, Monjur, Ahmed and Mosharaf Hossain. Wow, amazing, it's really amazing. You will be surprised how it works smoothly. It is already going to be finished. And it works very accurately. It should be mentioned you that we are studying in Dhaka International University evening E39. This is our 12th semester final project, and this project is designed for drawing any kinds of signature, any kinds of logo, any kinds of fruits, orange, anything you can draw by this. Wow, very nice. It's really amazing. I have never seen like this scene before. It is working very accurately. No corruption. Very nice. We are really surprised to see this. There is a combination of AI, artificial intelligence. We just apply this artificial intelligence on this machine. There also we see an excellent Arduino, PVC board, 6mm rod, putty, timing belt, and also a nice pen also. And it is done. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video. Now we are ready to submit this project to our Honorable Dean of Computer Science and Engineering, Dhaka International University. Thank you everyone for your patience for watching this video, and keep patient. Thank you so much, and have a nice day. Thank you.